Welcome to Spirit Shack. Just going to show you a little bit about this product. So this is our Rider Waite Tarot card deck. So this is the original, I believe, the original tarot card deck. Then I know there's a lot of newer and fancy ones now, but if you want the traditional version, this is the set. So it comes in a nice neat box. It was sealed, but obviously took the seal off to show you. Yeah, you get a very brief little instruction manual. And you obviously get your card. I'll show you the back first. Yes, they've all got the same back. Yeah, it's a really nice deck. Yeah, got your swords and pentacles and everything. I'm not actually going to explain how they work in this video because I don't actually know. Well, I'm a ghost hunter, so I'm not a user of tarot cards. But yeah, if you're interested in this product, I'll leave a link in the video description. Thanks for watching.